Like personality, values can also help us understand ourselves, other people, and organizational behavior. Values are our basic convictions about what is good, and everyone has a slightly different set of values. Also, like personality, values are stable and enduring. We start to develop them in childhood, just like we start to develop personality in childhood, and we continue to develop both throughout our lives. In psychology, a person's value system is defined as their set of values, ranked in terms of intensity. Values are important because they help us understand attitudes, motivation, behavior, even feelings. Values influence how humans perceive the world around them. They form the basis of our ideas about morality, ethicalness. They also imply that some behaviors are preferred over others. In the 1970s, Milton Rokeach developed a survey of values. Terminal values are the goals that a person would like to achieve during their lifetime. End states like happiness, social recognition, an exciting life. Instrumental values are the methods or manners we use to reach our terminal values. For example, logic, imagination, honesty. Instrumental values are the methods that are instrumental in allowing us to reach our terminal end goals in life. This table lists the 18 terminal values and 18 instrumental values in Rokeach's taxonomy, which is one of the most popular ways of thinking about values in the workplace. Here are a few other terminal values: a sense of accomplishment, equality, freedom, salvation, true friendship, and a few more instrumental values: ambitious, cheerful, forgiving, intellectual, polite, responsible,